What is group and why we have to use it in all SketchUp work? Group is an entity drawing and editing happen inside it, separately from the model. Maybe someone will say, this is like the definition of component. But it's different from component, because if I change in any copy of a group, the other copies will not be changed. But component, as you know from the last lesson, if you edit a copy, the other copies will be changed. First way to make a group, that we right-click in an empty space, then choose Make Group. In older versions of 2021, you will not find this menu. Second method, draw a simple rectangle. Then select it with Select tool like this. Then right-click. You will find Make Group in this menu. So why it is vital to use groups in SketchUp? For example, in this external file. If I select this shape and want to move it to forward, and as we see the space, walls and floor, select Move tool and move this shape forward. In red axis, press keyboard right arrow. The shape moving but not alone. As we see, this wouldn't occur if the shape in a group. Therefore, not using groups is a big mistake. And this will happen for rest of fork. But if you are using groups, and select this group and want to move it or edit, this will be easy and not staked with other geometry. Same thing here. We will apply on what you have learned in groups. Also, you will learn the tools. Follow Me tool and Circle tool. First application is making this square a group. We will select it and right-click, then Make Group. Now it's a group. The second application is modeling a sphere or a ball. Choose Circle tool from large tool set. Then we will draw a circle. Its radius 35 centimeters, then on circle center. Move mouse on circle edge to snap the center. It appears like this and start to draw other circle. But it needs to be vertical on this one. This means that it will on the red axis, as you learned in using axis lesson. So press the right arrow key. The small bright circle become red. Click once and enter radius value 15 centimeters. Then to make a sphere, with Select tool, click on the small circle. Then click on Follow Me tool. And with Follow Me tool, click on first circle. We will have this field with Select tool. Select this sphere, then right-click and make it a group. Thus, we have a sphere in a group.